Hello everyone, so today we're going to be representing our fractions. We're going to be either given the fraction in numbers and we're going to be asked to color in the fraction to represent it, or we're going to be given a picture with parts shaded and we have to write down the fraction that represents that picture. So on the first page here, you've been given these fractions in these boxes. So here in question 1 we have 4/5, right? Our denominator is 5, which is the total number of parts we're talking about. So let's make sure we have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. That's correct. So how many of those parts are we talking about? We're talking about 4 of those parts. Right, so how many parts are you going to shade on this bar? Right? Okay, so you're going to do that for all of these questions on this page. And then on the next page, you're now going to name the fraction. So you've been given a picture of a bar. In question 1, we have this picture here. Okay, so how many parts in total are there? You're going to write that number down here in the denominator. And then how many parts are shaded? You're going to write that up here in the numerator. Okay? Alright, and lastly, we have this page here. We're going to continue to identify those fractions. So look at the fraction on each coin below, and on the line you're going to write the fraction that identifies it. Okay, so this line here isn't the middle line for your fraction. It's just the line for you to write your answer on. So you're going to write your fraction like this. Okay, so your numerator and then your denominator. Okay, so how many parts in total are there in this coin? That's going to be your denominator, and however many parts have been shaded or colored in is your numerator. Okay, on your printouts, depending on your printer, these yellow coins might not show up very well. So you can just refer to your computer to look at the original copy and you'll be able to see what is actually shaded, okay? And then down here on the bottom, read each statement below and color your fraction accordingly. So you're going to have to grab some colors for this part. We've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay, so color 1/8 of the fraction red. Follow these directions and shade in that many parts, okay? All right, lastly, just a review from the beginning of this week. Try not to peek. See if you can remember what is the name of this part of the fraction and what does that number represent? What is the name of the bottom part of the fraction and what does that number represent? You can write the names here and then you can write the definitions here, okay? All right, and that's all for this week. All right, if you have any questions, you can find us on Seesaw.